Hello, welcome my dear viewers. Welcome to Marilyn Korea's kitchen, and I'm here to make the chicken curry, chicken red curry. This is a different method, and this curry I like to eat with puris, which I have already kneaded the flour. Puris I will do after bagaring the chicken. Now for this, I have taken half coconut, okay, half coconut in this way. And I have to roast this on the fire. I'll show you how to do it. I've already roasted a part of it to save time, but to show you, I will roast this. Come, let's go to the gas. The remaining part of this I have roasted to show you, and sometimes this may catch fire. You don't have to worry, but this recipe requires coconut roasted like this. Enough. Come. I'll keep this to cool. Meanwhile, I'll show you the other ingredients that I'm going to put in this. This is sesame seeds, 3/4 of a teaspoon. 3/4. Then this recipe contains maximum flavor of poppy seeds. And if you have this curry, you will go to sleep after eating your food. For this, I have to put 2 heaped spoons of poppy seeds. Most of the flavor is the poppy seeds. I'll put little more. Two heaped spoons of poppy seeds. Now, to make the poppy seeds fine, I'll have to put, while grinding, I'll have to put salt. Okay, so I'll put as much salt I am going to use in the chicken curry. Okay, salt. And these are the things. Another ingredient. I'll put 1 heaped spoon of coriander powder. The rest, all the other powders I'll put while seasoning. Let me, it is cool now. Come to the mixie. Yes. Once more, take it on, so let it become a little more fine. I'm starting to bagar the chicken. Put the gas on high flame. Put oil. 2 onions. Fry this till it becomes brown. Don't put salt because in this I have put salt while grinding. These are fried enough. Put in the ground masala. Medium flame. Stir it, fry the masala. Put in the chicken. Remember, I have washed it several waters, drained the water, and now ready to I put it on medium flame. Stir this. Remember, I put salt while grinding the dry masala, and if I need in the curry I will put more salt. Okay. Now put in the red chili powder. One teaspoon. Actually, you can put more or less depending upon how pungent you want. This is jeera. Now put in the slit green chilies, about 2 or 3, and 1 tomato that was. Stir it. Put some water. Cover and keep it to cook. We'll come back. It will take 15 to 20 minutes to cook. Keep it on medium flame. Let me just check for the salt. And the pungency. It has to cook. Yes. Pungency is okay. I think little more salt is required. You see, to eat this curry with the puris, it has to be so much liquidy. Okay, not thick. Yes, let it cook on medium flame. Yeah. Now my puris are fried. We will see. The chicken is done. Yes. Yes, it is done. Very nice. Now I'll garnish it with it. The salt is just correct. Put it off. Come, I'll serve and eat the puris. Chal. Come, we'll take it to the table. My mouth is watering, okay, straight away. This is the puri. First class झाला. First class. Very nice. Also, so this is for the lunch, okay? Come have lunch.